Can I have that?
No.
How come?
I don't give me this.
Really? Ay, may mumu dyan,
Ina
Shalyn.
yours. Ina yours.
Oh, you just throw it there.
No, ina yours. In mine.
Is that
When
yours?
you go home, in mine.
Okay.
Nine.
What you got? Nakinunod lang, may dahil pang sat-sat. Ang dami kayang views yan. Ang dami ng views, no? Umaabot na tayo ng mga 85,000 views. Ang dami ng views. Ano yung isa? 135, 124. Next, what you got? Shalyn, English ka? Sa English. Ala. Ala na naman, manong disturbing na naman dyan. What you got? What is that? What you got? What is that toy? Where you going? Are you still coming back? Wait, hold on.
Hyperboard.
Is it a toy shop? Yeah. Lots of toys.
What?
Where are you? What happened? You're there?
Yeah. Yes.
Did you find all your toys?
Pet toy.
Oo.
Pet toy.
Yung pizza. Laruan na.
So hard to take it toy.
Gawin na lang nating 90. No, Maricar. 89 na. 89,000 views na.
Where's the pet toy in the board?
Gawin na lang 90, no? Ano? Where are you?
Here.
I cannot even walk there. Oh my word. Agoy. That's a lot of toys.
Oh, not the toy.
What are you doing? Aray. Diyos ko.
Your toy.
That's a lot of toys. What are you doing here? Ano ba yan?
Oh, wow. Wow. My picture.
What you're looking for?
I only know my toy.
Oh, there's your tiger. Do you still need your tiger?
I need that too.
Okay, can we just give it away?
No.
And you have a book.
My road.
Oh, that's your
Hey, I take this.
Hello Kitty from Japan.
Look.
Let me see your Hello Kitty toy. Grabe guys. Ano ba yan?
My picture.
Ang dami pang toys.
Important.
No, it's not broken. It's still okay.
Now look.
No, that's alright.